guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki Drew, and today's video is going to be so interesting. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm super excited because I've never done anything like this before. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something totally different. I'm going to be following another YouTuber's keto diet. Instead of just doing my own what I eat in a day, I'm actually going to be following another YouTuber's what I eat in a day. This is special to me because it's going to be makeup by Shaylas. And a year ago, she posted like about this keto update. I personally did not ever know about keto until she posted it, so I have her personally to thank. Basically, ever since I watched her video, I've been encouraged to go on keto myself, learn more about it, and I've literally just developed a whole keto playlist. I just thought it would be super interesting to actually test out some of that food that she always makes, like that acai bowl. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, what's up with that acai bowl though? Because she's always making it. She's always talking about it, and it's just kind of like, is it good though? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, girl, and make sure you hit the notification bell. And for my subscribers who are already here, who already know me, if you guys don't know who Makeup Shayla is, it's okay. It's just a fun video, and we're gonna actually get into this acai bowl. So here behind me is just some of the ingredients that you need, and then some dishwasher liquid. All right, so here behind me is most of the ingredients that she uses for this infamous acai bowl. I have my Tupperware ready, and I have my hand mixer on deck, so I'm ready to get this popping. Let's see if this tastes good. So she does 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which I have, as you guys can see right here. I got these from BJ. If you guys haven't seen my BJ's haul, go ahead. I will link it in the description box and also in the info box. I have the hemp seeds hearts here. These are from my organic market. If you guys haven't seen that video as well, make sure you go check it out. I did an organic market haul recently and it was epic. So she uses coconut milk, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna use almond milk. I'm sure it's gonna taste a little different, but it just still tastes better to me because of the fact that I like almond milk. Okay, so she says that she seals hers up and let her rest in the fridge for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same. Alright guys, so it's 4 o'clock. It's actually 4:30, so it's literally been in the refrigerator for exactly 4 hours. I do have it out. I think that I put too much almond milk, so it is a little bit liquidy. Like I'm just gonna show you guys. As you can see, the bottom of it is pretty thick, and then the top of it is very liquidy. But I did put like a lot of almond milk because she said if you wanted it creamy to do that. I do have all of the rest of the ingredients out. I have the almond butter that I have raw. I get this from Trader Joe's. And then the shredded coconut. I have the walnuts. I have pistachios out earlier because I prefer those nuts, but she does use walnuts or pecans, so I'm just gonna go ahead with her recipe. I'm gonna go ahead with some creamy. That is creamy. Like, that is creamy. Ooh. Because I use so much almond milk, I'm just gonna go in with a little more because I feel like she could use it. So she does put in some drops of stevia. I'm gonna use this sweet drop stevia. No. So in her video, she licked the handle, so I'm gonna do it too because I'm obnoxious. It's taking me a minute to see if I like it or not. In her video, she uses raw pumpkin seed. I just realized that I have nothing but like shelled pumpkin seeds, which is not the same. So I'm just gonna skip that step and go straight to the coconut flakes. Handful of coconut flakes. All right, so I'm gonna do a handful of walnuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my berries. Yeah, so keto is really just kind of like strawberries, blueberries, any berries you really, those are the only ones that you can have. Okay guys, so here you have it. This is the finished product. This is my copycat Makeup Shayla Keto Acai Bowl, my edition. Here is the complete finished look. And she does look really cute. She definitely looks thumbnail worthy. I'm not gonna lie, she looks like oatmeal. Alright guys, so I'm about to have my first bite, and this is what she looks like on a spoon. I'm a little scared, I don't know why. Like, I tasted it, but I didn't taste like the walnuts and the coconut flakes and all that stuff together. You know what? I always knew I liked Makeup Shayla for a reason. I always knew I followed her for a reason. I always knew that I watched her videos and supported her. for a reason. The walnuts are crunchy, which is unexpected. Like, I know you put nuts in it, but the crunch, it just like, it's so necessary. Like, it's such a good crunch. Wow, this is really delicious, like, guys. And honestly, the strawberries, like, I can't imagine having this with blueberries. Like, the strawberries taste so good. Like, if you haven't tried this with strawberries, like, Shayla, if you're watching this, girl, if you haven't tried this with strawberries, do yourself a favor. I love raw food. If you guys haven't seen my keto update video, I recently talked about how I wanted to incorporate way more raw food on my channel and my lifestyle and my diet, because my husband grew up that way. And I just kind of, I don't know, I've been really thinking about going vegan and just kind of doing vegan keto, but that's a whole nother video. I cannot wait till my husband to come home and he can try it too, guys. We're gonna actually have Andrew try it when he comes home, because it's vegan friendly, which she doesn't stress that enough, that it's vegan friendly. Like, it's amazing, and it's vegan friendly. Hi. Okay, so my husband is home and he is the vegan. So if he says it's good, it's good.
Alright, so I want to make sure I get a good mixture of everything.
Yeah. See if you can guess what's in it too.
So what, we got walnuts.
Boom.
Strawberries. Some sort of seeds, I guess, probably like chia or hemp. I'm not sure. And then for the base, I don't know, what is this, almond milk?
Wow.
I mean, you said it was vegan.
True vegans are true vegans. Get a mixture of all of it.
Right. It's alright. It's very good, actually.
It is. Okay, so there is the verdict. It's actually really delicious. Like, I loved it, and I'm not a vegan. The vegan loved it, so his standards are probably really high, because you know vegans be bougie. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I tried Makeup Shayla's keto acai bowl and it was amazing, and that is my final judgment on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and if you are already subscribed, make sure you have the notification bell on so that you know when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you haven't already clicked that bell on the bottom, make sure you do that as well, you know.
Oh, this is a cute little thumbnail. I'm gonna print this photo. Alright guys, we love you.
Bye.
Bye.